Look at this home before and now the after. A full transformation that feels like stepping into a brand new place. This is a real design from one of our clients whose home was wide but had unclear zones and no furniture pieces yet. So the design focused on solving those real problems with the right layout, the right furniture, and the right materials, and the result might give you ideas for your own home too. You'll see how your living area, dining space, and kitchen can change using these simple, practical architectural solutions. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Your living room might look like this: an open space that has no clear seating zone. The structure is already good, but it needs a few adjustments. For the flooring, the homeowner wanted to replace the tiles and old carpet with engineered wood planks. This material is more stable and easier to maintain while giving you a warm, natural look. The vertical slatted partition became a key design solution. It gives your living room a clear boundary without closing off the space. With the new boundaries in place, you can now arrange the furniture in a way that supports the entire layout. The seating area is built around a low-profile deep-seat sofa with a matching upholstered lounge, which instantly brings softness and comfort into the room. Because both pieces share the same fabric, tone, and deep-seat shape, the whole seating area feels consistent and balanced. At the center, a round lightwood coffee table ties the seating together. The wood tone repeats the warmth from the slatted partition, helping your space feel intentional and cohesive. You can add minimal styling like stacked books or a vase with greenery to keep the look simple but elevated. A large neutral area rug sits underneath the entire setup. This helps all the furniture pieces sit on one shared foundation, making the room feel organized instead of scattered. On the center wall, you can now create a true focal point. A beige lime wash finish adds gentle cloud-like variations that make your wall feel alive without adding strong patterns. Updating the old fireplace into a sleek linear electric unit changes the whole feel of the room. It gives you a long, modern visual line that makes your wall look wider and more elegant. This area also becomes your media wall, where the flat-screen TV is mounted at the center, paired with a floating wood shelf. This arrangement creates clean proportions and makes the wall feel taller and more refined because every line is centered and intentional. To soften the entire feature, LED strip lighting adds a warm glow that highlights the lime wash texture and makes the room feel cozy. You can hang Venetian blinds throughout the entire window. You can shift them to filter bright sunlight during the afternoon, but you can also open them fully when you want the room to feel bright. Your living area now feels warm, modern, and connected. The space guides your movement naturally, and your furniture finally fits the scale of the room. This entire setup can be achieved for around $2,300 to $2,500, and similar pieces can be found on the product tags below. The dining area will be at the center of the home. That means it needs to connect to the adjacent areas. Every piece here should blend fully with the rest of the design. For the main furniture piece, the oval solid wood dining table helps your movement flow smoothly from the living area without sharp corners stopping you. The warm wood tone also matches the living room coffee table, so the whole layout reads as one connected space. Then you can have 5 upholstered dining chairs, giving equal space without crowding. These chairs bring comfort, and their curved shape keeps the table visually balanced from every angle, especially since your dining area sits between 2 major zones. To keep everything light and uncluttered, only one centerpiece vase sits in the middle of the table, adding height and softness without overwhelming the space. Now, let's move to the understair area, because this was one of the client's main requests. This feature does 2 important things at the same time. First, you now have a walk-in storage room tucked neatly under the stairs, giving you hidden space for bulkier items. To close off the walk-in area, a sliding barn door was added. The sliding system is important because it saves space and keeps movement smooth. But the transformation doesn't end there, because when you slide the door open, you'll notice a custom cabinet storage unit built right beside the doorway. This includes open shelves for small collections that create a beautiful visual feature, and closed cabinets for items you don't want lying around. This design turns the entire corner into a smart, beautiful system that gives you two types of storage in one area. With these changes, your dining area transforms from an unused open space into the functional center of your home. This setup can cost around $1,850 to $2,170 depending on the materials you choose. For the kitchen area, the goal is to make it look modern, clean, and fully connected to the home. The before looked closed off and separate from the rest of the space, but this new layout solves that. The first major change is the removal of the dividing wall. This instantly opens your kitchen to the dining area, so the whole space finally feels like one continuous room. Let's start with the main kitchen counter. For the countertop and backsplash, you can use a light quartz look surface that runs across the entire L-shaped counter and continues all the way up the wall as the backsplash. This single material approach removes visual breaks, so your kitchen feels bigger, cleaner, and brighter. Both your cabinetry are finished in a soft sage color, a choice that completely changes the mood of the space. The base cabinets are arranged to support your main working zones: prep, cook, and clean, while the upper cabinets give you generous storage for kitchenware, helping your counters stay clear. Your appliances are arranged to work as one complete system, so your cooking, prep, and cleaning flow naturally without wasted steps. Only a few small items are placed on the counters. The fewer objects you have, the larger and calmer your kitchen feels. You can install under-cabinet LED lighting running along the upper cabinets, making cooking easier and giving the room a soft, warm glow. The island uses the same light quartz material, creating waterfall sides for a clean and elegant look, so it becomes both a prep space and a design feature. 2 bar stools sit at the island. This gives you a comfortable, casual seating option, great for breakfast, quick meals, or chatting while someone cooks. Above the island hang soft, organic-shaped dome lights. Their rounded, asymmetrical form adds a gentle, sculptural look above your island, so the kitchen feels warm and inviting instead of sharp and rigid. So this kitchen doesn't just look better, it functions better for your everyday routines. This kitchen can cost around $3,900 to $4,300, depending on the finishes you choose. When you look at this home as a whole, you can finally see how each space now works together. What makes this even better is how every material, color, and furniture piece now works as one design. This full transformation stays within realistic and flexible home. You can achieve this complete modern Scandinavian transformation for $8,050 to $8,970, a full redesign that not only changes how your home looks. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.